Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Jeff in North Carolina on this Galaxy DX 2547. Jeff, got it ready to go for you, bud? We did quite a bit to this one here. Tune alignment, clarifier mod, we unlocked it for you. Bright wide angle LED. We did our hi-fi transmit, hi-fi receive mods. So if you're going to use a set of headphones or some nice speaker system, you're really going to enjoy hearing them high fidelity stations, and they're going to enjoy hearing you having a little more bass in your place and some wideband audio. Also, we've got the Lester's Custom channel kit. We've got this on the normal 919. Okay, down here in your PA is where your 10kc is. Jump. Okay, and she's ready to go, man. This thing's spot on. It's a really nice radio. Now, these don't do a whole lot of power, but they don't have to. Most guys run amplifiers anyways, but they have crystal clear audio and a super nice receiver when they're set up. So with the RF power all the way down, we've got a 25 watt slug in here. It's a half a watt all the way down, 5 all the way up. I'm going to show you average power swing. Hello. Looking at about 12 bird average or so right there. Go over here to the 50 watt slug. PEP. Hello. And around 29 watts PEP. So, I mean, they're a single final radio, but they are great rigs for your 1x4s, 1x2s, 2x8s. You're not overdriving your amplifiers that way. All right, Jeff, ready to get this back to you. I hope you enjoyed it. From your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump, bump.